Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, today on Get Veganized we are going to make a Tempeh Reuben. Alright, let's get started. Okay, the first part of the Reuben is the marinade. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this 5-grain tempeh and marinate it for an hour. Let's start with the marinade. First thing I'm going to add is a half cup of vegetable broth. The next thing I will add is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, followed by 1 tablespoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. To this I will add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we will whisk this together. And set it aside. The next thing I want to do is cut into this bag of tempeh and cut it in half and then in half again, and I will demonstrate how. Okay, here it is out of the wrapper. It was like it was childproof. We're going to cut it in half, and then we're going to cut it in half this way. And be careful not to cut your hands. So it'll be like this. Two thinner pieces. There we go. Now we're going to marinate it for an hour. Pour the marinade in here. Alright, we're going to marinate it for an hour in the fridge. And I'll be right back. Okay, while that's marinating, we're going to make the Russian dressing. For the dressing, I'm going to use a half cup of Veganized sriracha, already measured out. It's vegan mayonnaise with sriracha in it. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Half teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. 1.5 tablespoons of pickled relish. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Now we're going to whisk this together and incorporate it. And this will keep in the refrigerator for 2 weeks, covered. Perfect. All right, now we set this aside and we wait for the tempeh to finish marinating. All right, we're back and I just got this out of the fridge. I'm going to put it into the frying pan and cook them on both sides until they're nice and golden brown. Okay, here's the tempeh in the pan cooking. It's almost done. And in the pan next to it I have the rye bread, and the other side's buttered, so it gets a nice crunchy crust on the other side. So when I put the sandwich together, it'll look great. Okay, this is the bread off the stove. You want it to look brown and toasty. What we're going to do next is lather some of the dressing on and make the sandwich. I like mine cheesy, so I'm going to put 2 pieces of cheese on top. And this is Tbs Swiss. Now I'm going to put this in the broiler so the cheese melts a little bit, and then I'll come back and finish the sandwich up. Okay, we're back out of the broiler. Here it is. Now we put some sauerkraut on top. Then a generous amount of the sauce. And then the bread. And there you have it. There it is. Vegan Tempeh Reuben. We'll see you on the next video. This is Chef Bugsy with Get Veganized, and I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Be sure to click below the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.